Today we are going to open this box. In this box we have boat rockers 650 Pro variant overheads. So this comes with Dolby Atmos. Before that I have ordered from Amazon. They have sent OTP based delivery and they have mentioned special label. If this kind of pink or red light visible on any of the package, do not accept, they have mentioned. But the thing is there is a damage for the box, but inside there is package, that's why we have accepted that package. So let me open it. In Budur they are just throwing like rubber ball, that kind they are throwing. I have observed in several times at Amazon godown, they are throwing from the lorry. They should not do like that, because we have ordered groceries also several times. There have been damage for that tetra packed milk. Anyway, product is in good condition, no damage inside of the box. So here is the box. They have mentioned every detail in detail, every detail of this product over here. You can read it by passing the it. So before that I want to tell you some of the features of it. It is coming with 40 mm driver, and it has Dolby Atmos, already told you that, and it has AUX cable also, and it gives 80 hours of battery backup. And the price is, they have mentioned 2299 rupees. Some around 114 cashback came. So in Dasara sale, Amazon Great India sales, I have participated. For that offer charges, they have been charging at almost 9 rupees. So final price I will mention on top of here. You can check it out. So there is boat tape also specially, and sealed cover. So let me open it. So the product comes like this, nothing inside. There is a cover for safety purpose, and so for downloading app they have provided a QR code and user manual. You must and should read the user manual if you want to use it in a good manner. So the product, and they have provided AUX cable also with USB to Type C cable, USB Universal B they also called. So finally the product. So let me wear it and tell you my initial impression of wearing it. Nice. The main thing, I bought this because of the overheads, and also it is covering full ear. So and also this product comes with the touch controls, up for volume up and volume down, swiping front for previous forward. That kind of options are available. So, and also you can fold it like this, you can, and fold like this, you can do such things. Foam is very good. I feel like it is very quality. So let me try some music and tell you my feeling of this volume rockers. So I have connected the thing, boat rocker 650. So I have used so much of time. Let me check. While doing something, it has been disconnected from the Bluetooth system. So there is one thing in the app, we can use in two devices at a time. So now I am playing this. I think you also can listen a little bit of sound from the speaker. I think now you can hear it. Show me. Let me show you from here. So also it is remembers the sound. Look at this. Now I am trying to play from here by passing here. Did you see? It is automatically coming sound from this phone right now, and also it remembers the sound. See, in this device I have set this sound for almost on full, and in this device I have set a little bit of small sound. Look at that. You can check now. See, so it is remembering the sound system also. Maybe it has that system in the phone device. And so after and one more thing, I want to show you that this app bought hearables. So in this app you can control the devices things, so like the touch control. You can manage the buttons over here, right? On the right hand side you have one button, right? This is multi-function button over here. For single press we have set automatically it has set to Dolby, and double flash it has beast mode. For triple steps it does not have anything, but we can use present I am using Google Assistant. You can set multiple things from the app like this. You can set multiple things, and you can check for the updates. If any updates, it will automatically transfer to the device using this app. Also you can also check this sound, so you can set sounds by manually, or else pre-planned systems like this you can see here, right? So default it can be useful. And coming to the my experience, I feel like good comfortable ear cups are very comfortable, and foam is really good. And coming to this Dolby Atmos, only right side it has the capacitive touch. And coming to the my testing, I feel like both signature sound is comfortable for me. I feel like it is good. And in the Dolby Atmos surround is there, highs, particularly highs in the both signature sound comes really good for me. I feel like it is very good. When it is we can listen in 100% volume also. It is not giving any noise in either it is in Dolby Atmos or in both signature. So I feel like little bit of good at listening in the both signature sound. Maybe I am habituated to the both signature sound, but in the Dolby Atmos some surround is there. And also highs comes very we can particularly think about highs like instruments playing in the both signature sound compared to the Dolby Atmos. In Dolby Atmos all are equal kind of thing it is playing. This is about the music I have listened and checked in this Pro 650 Pro. And now I am going to show you the physical overview of this product. Look at this. So here are the cups, and here is this, right? In the right hand side we have capacitive touch, which can be used as a multi forward, backward, volume up, down. Those double tap for pause, play, and also double tap for call lifting, and also to cut the call, long pressing over here. And build quality also good, but particularly for me there is some indication on the product which feels uncomfortable. And coming to the overview, there is mic on the left and there is mic on the right, like kind of things have been there. So this is right ear cup. It has two buttons particularly for power on off button, and this is for multifunction. By pressing one time you can switch between Dolby Atmos and both rocker signature sound. And also you can set triple tap like Google Assistant, anything you whatever you want, which is provided in the app, you can set. And for double tap there is beast mode, right? Beast mode for low latency audio listening from the Bluetooth. You can turn it on over there. You can also change those settings based on your comfort. So like that it and the triple tap also, 1 2 3 taps only they have been provided. And there is AUX cable hole over there, and light indication. When it is in red color light over there, it might show. So red light it means it is charging. If there is no red light on the product, it means it is fully charged, like that they have mentioned there. Like all other boat things, there is some sounds, right? And it is adjustable, and metal frame is provided. Inside there is plastic only. Two sides you can adjust it in clear. So that's it for now, but for the entire product overview. And it supports a charging of 5 watt to 2 ampere. That means it supports up to 10 watt. So as they mentioned, it will give you 10 hours of playback in 10 minutes of charge, max of 80 hours in 60% of volume. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And if you ask me it must buy or not, definitely, as I said earlier, it covers full year and very less weight, and good quality of output is coming. And you can switch between devices, like if you are using laptop and mobile without touching the Bluetooth, all those settings, you can switch between playing the things from phone to device. So it might be useful for that thing. So that's it for now. Please share your opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching.